This is a quick rundown of my restoration and modification of the engine bay. The car had significant rust, so I stripped it down with some chemical stripper and then mechanically stripped it. The next step was to get it into primer sealer that you see here. One of my modifications was to raise the top of the strut towers up. These are the raised towers here. I made some caps to finish it cosmetically, so this will be the process of making these fit, welding them in, prepping them, and then resealing the engine bay and spraying it with actual body color. The first step is to clean the area. I'm going to be working with wax and grease remover, then mask off everything else. I'm using these 4.5-inch stripping discs on my body grinder. I only really need to remove the primer from the area that I'm actually going to be welding. The other areas can just have primer on it and it's fine. From here, it's going to be a lot of tack welding and then hitting it with the hammer to get the shape correct. I am using a wire feed MIG, so I'll have to go through here and grind down the excess filler metal from the MIG welder. From this point here, they're basically done. I'll put a layer of filler on them, and then we'll get it painted. Hey everyone, we're back at the shop and the engine bay is in paint. So let's take a look at it and we'll close out this video.